watching in slow motion as you turn around and say, oh, take my breath away. Hey there budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dene again, bringing you another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember, and this one is an absolute doozy. Take My Breath Away by American band Berlin. And today I'm bringing you the acoustic guitar version. I'm going to do it what I call the Allie Sherlock version. Now for those of you that don't know Allie Sherlock, she is an incredibly talented musician and she's on YouTube. Go check her out. 5 million subscribers says she must be pretty good. Anyway, I heard her play this song and I was just mesmerized by it. It was just beautiful. And what she does is a lovely, easy little finger picking version while she sings it. And that's what I'm going to teach you today. But of course this song was first made famous back in 1986 when little known American band Berlin released it, and it was part of that epic Tom Cruise movie Top Gun. So I'm expecting this song to have a bit of a renaissance when Top Gun 2 Maverick comes out into the movie theatres shortly. Besides all that, it's actually a really beautiful song to play and to sing, and I'm going to teach you that now. I'm on a 5-minute guitar lesson promise, so let's make a start. Right, the chords of this song, it's got 7 bass chords. It's got 8 if you count a D7, so it's got a D and a D7. I'll quickly race through those chords with you now, but hey, download the free song sheet that I prepared for this because that's got all the chords, it's got the lyrics, it's got everything you need to know how to practice this song. But let's make a start. It's in the key, sung in the key of G. It's got a B minor, it's got an A minor, a C, a D, an E minor, and of course a D7. Now if you notice, they're all open chords apart from the B minor. So that's why I'd call this song a begin intermediate song, because it's not that bad. Now the real magic to this song is how you play it. You could just play a nice simple strum like this, a nice down strum pattern. So, watching every motion in this foolish lover's game. Down, 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 down. Okay, you can play that. That's a nice intro, easy way to play it. But as I said, Allie Sherlock, she plays it with a bit of finger picking, and that's how I played it. And I'm going to do a full playthrough at the end of this video. Right, so starting on that G, you're picking 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, sounds a bit, I'll put the stuff on the screen here, but this is how it sounds, nice and slow. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Watching every motion in this foolish game. On this do 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 do. And you can play the whole song like that, or you can mix it up with a bit of downstrumming. And hear the timing of that, it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that's the down strum pattern, or as I said, that picking pattern is the same timing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then what's left with this song is just to sing it like you own it. I'm about to do that now. Not as good as Allie Sherlock, she's got the most amazing voice. Do check her out, I'll put a link below. But hey, if you like my version, then make sure you give me a thumbs up. But otherwise folks, that's it. If you like these 5-minute short form guitar lessons, I've got plenty more of those, just check out the link below. Thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next week. On this endless ocean, finally love is no shame. Turning and returning to some secret place inside. Watching in slow motion as you turn around and say, oh, take my breath away. Take my breath away.